Welcome back, Steamy Kitchen family. Today we are reviewing Bosch's Universal Plus Kitchen Stand Mixer from Nutrimill.com, and there's a whole lot to love about this mixer. Over the years, we've seen our fair share of mixers, and we often end up feeling like we have to sacrifice one thing for another with most of them. It's powerful, but it's super heavy. It's got a large bowl, but it takes up a ton of space. That's not the case with this Bosch mixer. You get it all. Lightweight, a powerful motor, a big bowl, a compact size, quality build, and more. The Bosch Universal Plus mixer features 4 speeds, a 6.5 quart bowl, and a pulse option for big and small batches alike. The dough hook attachment mimics hand kneading, so it can handle everything from light cake batters to dense bread doughs. In fact, this week, Jaden and her brother threw a pizza party for the whole family, where everyone got to make their own custom pizza, and the Bosch Universal Plus mixer not only met the challenge, but performed with flying colors, even with super wet, no-knead dough. Unlike most mixers, Bosch's bottom motor allows for easy pouring up top, and the way the paddles are shaped ensures that even super sticky pizza dough is easy to get off. There's also a double whisk feature that makes sure everything is thoroughly mixed in no time. Overall, the pizza party was a huge success. Jaden's mom and brother even fought a little over the mixer, but you know that mama always wins. Visit the link in our bio for the full review of this amazing mixer on steamykitchen.com.